Krishna na tasya karyam karanam cha vidyate. He is Ananda Swarup. He doesn't have to do any endeavor to get anything. He has everything. So there is no need for him to come in this world. But why does he come? Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. Yes, he comes to protect the devotees, to destroy the demons, and to re-establish dharma. But the interesting thing is, protecting of the devotees, Krishna now does. So Krishna does not have to come. How many times did Narasimha come for Prahlad? Once. But how many times was the name protecting Prahlad? Many times. So the Lord doesn't have to come to protect the devotees. The name protects. Vinashaya cha dushkritam. Well, the Lord doesn't have to come to destroy the demons. Earthquakes are enough. Tsunami. Hurricane. It's very easy for Hari to use his cane. He doesn't have to come. Material nature, prakriti. Gunai karmani sarvashaha prakrite kriyamanani. 327 Gita. So Prakriti does everything to destroy the demons also. Supreme Lord doesn't have to come. Then why is he coming? Dharma samsthapanarthaya. Well, that also he doesn't have to do. Just send one Prabhupada, enough. Dharma is taken care. Not just taken care, nourished. Kali Yuga is now scared. Hare Krishna Bhakta ho. If I go to give him my association, Kotha Nidra Jaye Maya Pisha Chira Kole. Jiva Jago, Gaura Chandra Bole. So, protecting is done by the holy name, destruction is done by material nature, re-establishment of dharma is done by pure devotees. So, why he comes? Prapanche nishprapanchopi vidhambayasi bhutale prapanna janatanando sandoham pratitum prabho. Brahma Stuti, Bhagavat. Brahma is saying why the Lord comes? Oh, very simple. Prapanna janata ananda sandoham. He comes only to give happiness to those who are surrendered devotees. Oh, you're performing bhajan for me, to keep you happy, I am coming. Hare Krishna. Hare